Hello ninth graders, how are you today? I hope you are doing well. And we have finished our first and second topic. And for today we are going to recall to help you review all the concepts and materials in the first and second chapters. And then the summary, in this page I have given to you the summary of the first chapter. The first one is about the classification of numbers, which is natural numbers, integers, primes, or square numbers. The second one, it's about the definition of a square number and cube number. The third one is about the square root and also the cube root. The fourth one is about the LCM. And then the fifth one is about the HCF. And then the next one is about prime numbers. You have to review what is the definition of prime number. And then the next one is about prime factor. The next one is about natural numbers as a product of prime factors. And then we have an integer as directed number, or have sign negative or positive. If it's in the number line, it's in the right side or in the left side of 0. The next one, the last one, is about the order of operation. Do you remember about BADMAS, brackets, exponent, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. This all is the summary of the first chapter. You have to remember all of the concept in the first chapter. Next one is about the second chapter. In the second chapter, it's about algebra. The first topic is about the algebra rules that allow us to write mathematical information in short ways. And then the second one is about the variable, and then the coefficient, and then the constant. You have to remember all of the terms in algebra. The next one is a term, the definition of a term. So the terms are separated by plus and minus sign. Then you have to know how to simplify the like terms, and then the order of operation rules for numbers, BADMAS or BODMAS, apply in algebra as well. The next one is about expanding brackets or removing brackets. So you're multiplying out. And then about the powers, or we can also call it as indices. So the plural of the index. So the last one is about the laws of indices. So we have 6 laws of indices. You have to remember all of the laws, yeah. Thank you very much. This is just the summary. And then you have to review all the materials from the first chapter until the last chapter. After this, on Monday, we will have a unit task for the first and the second chapter. So you have to be prepared. After this, I will give you the unit test preparation. You have to fill the questions. Then it will help you to recall all the materials in the first and the second chapter. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum girls.